VPI ka.
Birthday gift niya sa'yo.
VP, thank you so much. Love you.
Love you, VP.
Sabi ni VP yung, kaya aabot tayo sa ganyang level, no? Message from VP.
Happy Purpose Day, Mentor Earl. Galatians 6 verse 9. Keep shining, God bless you more. Keep showing, keep shining. God bless you more. From VP Aika.
Thank you, VP.
Thank you, VP.
Wala pa.
Another day.
Oh. Thank you, VP Aika.
VP, next na event. Glowing na ako.
And happy birthday again, Leng. Love ni VP, oy.